In this video, I will show you how to use one of the best editing app known as Pixellab for editing or designing of text, shapes, logo, fast and easy. Stay tuned. Hey, it's Richy. In this channel, we post content aimed at deploying the best skill sets to offer web-related services and digital marketing. So if you're new here, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell icon so you get notified whenever we drop awesome videos like this. Also everything I mentioned in this video, you can find the link in the description box below. So let's jump into it. Well, the Pixellab application is available on Google Play Store for Android users. For iPhone users, you can get this app on App Store. Okay, so that's it. The app is not available on PC for people that use laptop or systems. Okay, but it can run on PC using some Android emulators. So that's it. Let's dive straight to the application. This is the pro version of the Pixellab application. Okay, it has a lot of features like more. This one has more templates. It's the advanced version. And it has a lot of front too. Okay, this particular one has a lot of fronts compared to the original one, which is on Google Play Store. Okay, but you have no issue with that. Okay, you have no issue. You can see the front. It has a lot of fronts, customized fronts. So that's one of the reason why the advanced one is more better compared to the original. But it doesn't stop you from getting whatever you plan on designing. Okay, if you're using the Pixellab application, you can get the exact design of whatever you plan on designing. So it doesn't stop you. Okay, so you can go ahead and use it because the original one has the same interface with this one. Okay, if you're using it, you should know what I'm talking about. So that's how you get to know more about it. So this is the interface of the Pixellab application. Okay, this is the first thing you will see when you open the application. Okay, so on this interface, here is where you get to edit whatever you want to design. Okay, this is where you get to edit whatever you want to design. So today we'll be designing a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so I can show you the most important tools you will use while designing whatever you want on this Pixellab. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you set the image size. That's your resolution. Okay, the image resolution. So what you will do is you click on this section. Okay, when you click on that section, you get to you click on image size. Okay, when you click on image size, you select the image size that you want to work on. Assuming we said earlier that we'll be using a YouTube channel thumbnail. Okay, so you click on it. Okay, it automatically gives you the resolution ratio that you use to customize your projects. You click on OK. You see, it gives the image size for YouTube thumbnail. So the first thing you have to do is when you can tap on this image, okay, to edit the text. When you click on it, you can be able to edit the text. But what we have to do now is we will first import some logos that we use for our design. Okay, so that's it. Let me delete the text by clicking on the delete box. Okay, so what we'll do now is this. We'll come import our image. If you want to import image, you click on this link. You click on this link, the plus sign at the top corner. When you click on the plus sign, you get to sorry for that. When you click on the plus sign, you can see from the gallery. That's where you get to upload the image that you want to upload. So I want to upload this image, the Pixellab icon. So you can see I've imported the image. So the next thing we are going to do now is we will start with our shape. Okay, let's customize a shape. Okay, on the same plus sign, when you click on it, oh my god, I'm sorry for that. When you click on the plus sign, you can see where the rose shapes. Good. When you click on it, you can design it. You can customize the shapes to any form you want. Okay, so once you have done that, you see the blue icon. Okay, this particular section is where you get to rotate the image. You can rotate it to your test. Okay, but we need something like this. Okay, you can use your hand to adjust it in any form you feel like. Okay, I think this is okay by me. Okay, this is okay by me. So what we do now is this. The next thing we do is we add our text. To add your text, you click on the same plus icon. You click on text. You see the text box has appeared. You click on you can tap on it to edit the text. Let's say complete. Okay, let me duplicate this text box instead of doing much of our time. Let me duplicate this again. Now we have three text box, right? So for the we have to edit this one to complete Pixellab tutorial guide. Yeah, tutorial guide. Okay, as you can see, we have done that. Okay, so once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is you can go and change the front. You go to front. Yes, front, you select any kind of front that you need, but we'll be working with this main front. Okay, you click on OK. Okay, front, main front. Okay, you have successfully done that. So the next thing we have to do now is you can color this image. Okay, when you any text that you want to color, when you click on it, you go to color. You can see this for color. You can use any color of your choice, any color that you prefer. Okay, so that's it. That's how you go about it for the Pixellab. You can use blue, or we can use Pixellab color, right? So the tutorial guide is okay like this. Okay, so the next thing you will have to do now is this. You can be more creative here. Okay, so you can import some shapes too. Like this shape, I would like to make this shape the color. I would like to color the shape. Let's use black. Yes, I think black is okay. Oh, sorry, the shape. Let's use black color for it, for this shape. Okay, click on black. Okay, you can do something like this. Move the text. You can move this box down. Then position this text. This is another thing you have to do whenever you want to move a text to the front. So what you have to do is you click on you can see this icon to front is whenever you want to bring your text to the front. For instance, you want to put this text on this rectangular box. So when you click on come to front, you see we are now able to place this text on top of the rectangular box. Okay, you can adjust it by increasing the text size. Okay, so we have done that. As for the tutorial guide, let's, instead of wasting much of our time, let's duplicate this rectangular box too. Okay, copy. Now we have three rectangular box. Okay, you can see. Okay, we can increase the text more. Good, I think this is okay. Okay, you can bring this here. Okay, let's move this image to the front. The text, let's move it to the front too. To front. All right. Alright, so I've done that. As for the complete guide, you can position this here. Okay, let's move it to the front too. Okay, or let's change the color to white. I think white will be more better. White is okay. You can adjust it. You adjust the text. You see, something like this. Okay, now this okay. This is very much okay. Let's shift this more. This like more of a tutorial to show you the main tools you need while working. Okay, you don't plan designing something really that massive, just to show you the most important tool that you use while working or designing an image. So the next thing I would like to show you guys is whenever you're working on a project, you might not want for instance, we want to edit the text. At the process of editing this text, you might mistakenly shift another text that you don't want. Okay, so this is what you do. You click on this section. When you click on this section, okay, when you click on it, you get to select. You can lock any of the text box or image box that you want to. Okay, you can lock it. When you assuming we lock this tutorial guide now, you can see if we try moving it, we won't be able to move it. Okay, so you can lock it. You can even if you want to hide it, so you won't see it while designing it fine. You click on the icon, something like that. When you hide it, you won't see the image. Okay, so if you want to delete, you click on the delete box too. So this is necessary stuff you need to know while designing your project, while working on anything, even if it's designing a logo or a test. So these are the most important two you need to know. Okay, if you like to texture your if you like to texture your image, this is what you do. You go to you search for texture. Firstly, you click on the text that you want to texture. Assume you want to texture this complete. Okay, this complete text. When you click on it, you go to you search for texture. Okay, let's look for it. You can see the texture. Okay, you can go and import the color that you want to use for that particular text. Okay, so assume you want to use a golden color now. So when you do that, you can adjust, you can crop it. Good. Hope you have seen that. We have textured this particular text. Okay, but let's undo that. Okay, so that's what the texture. If you want to increase the opacity of your text, you click on the text that you want, or text or image. When you click on it, you go to opacity. Where is it? Opacity. You can increase it or you can reduce it. Okay, so that's on that. That's how you get that done. If these tools are very easy. Okay, it's very easy to use. The curve, if you want to curve the image, you see. Hope you have seen that. So these are the, if you want to align, you align your text to be in proper order. Okay, if you want to like space, stroke, emboss. So these tools are very easy to use. Okay, they are very easy to use. Okay, so that's what you need to know about your customization whenever you want to design your even it's your logo, either your shape, text, or whatever. Okay, it's a very powerful tool. Okay, so that's it. I think let's finish up with our project. Let's finish up with the customization on our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so let's do something like this. Okay. Okay, I think this very much okay by me. All right, so let's bring this thing down. Okay, something like this. This much okay. Okay, this let's duplicate or import a shape. Let's say something like this. Let's create a kind of sort of a border, okay, for this image. So you move to front, you place it, you adjust the size of the shape. Something like this is okay. You adjust this shape for the Pixellab icon. Wow, hope you can see that we have created something like a border for a Pixellab application. Okay, so that's it. You see, this is very much okay. This is very much okay. Wow, that's very nice. That's nice. Okay, so that's how you get that done. Yes, sir. So the next step, we can choose to import. Let's import something like another image. We can import this image, a full frame. Yeah, I think that would be much okay. Yes, let's import this image. You adjust the size. Okay, good. You can see you have done that. You can import another image too. But I would like to clarify your one thing that is very important. While importing your images, make sure you have removed the background of the image. Okay, so it won't come alongside with the background. Okay, so you need to make sure you remove the image. You can go to the link we normally use to remove background of images. It's known as we call it remove BNG, right? So you can find this app on Play Store too. So when you go on it, you can download the application, then use it to remove the background of any image that you want to. Okay, so that's one thing you need to know about that. Okay, as you can see, this is looking very cool and amazing. Okay, so that's just, we can decide to add another test and name this test Richy web design. Okay, Richy web design. All right, then we can boot this test. You can boot the test. You boot. Good. You can change the font to main front. Okay, so you can adjust the size. You make sure the text fits into the image frame. Okay, so that's it. I'd like us to texture this text. You click on texture. Let's texture it a golden color. Wow, as you can see, this is very amazing. Okay, this is very amazing. We have created a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so I believe you understood this training very well. So I think here's where we have come at the end of the day. If you need this advanced version of Pixellab application, click on the link below the description box. I'll drop the link on how to watch the YouTube video. Okay, the video on how to download the Pixellab application and how to use it. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to save the image you're done working on, what you have to do is you click on this icon. Okay, when you click on it, you get to save the image. You can save it as a project or you can save it as an image. But meanwhile, this app auto saves your works. Okay, it was auto saves your works, but you can save it as a project in case of necessity. Okay, something might go wrong. Okay, so you can save it as an image. Okay, so once you've done that, you select this is correct. Okay, you can click on save to gallery. Okay, you have successfully saved your work, your project. Okay, so that's it.